For our pasta recipe, we need pasta sauce, carrot, onion,
bell pepper, salt, ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, and Italian mixed herbs. Add water into a pot. Add salt into the water. Add pasta into the water. Stir it. Boil it for 7 to 10 minutes. Our pasta is boiled. With the help of an adult, drain our pasta. Add olive oil into a pan. Add onions. And saute it for a few minutes. Add ginger garlic paste until the raw smell is gone. And saute it. Add carrots. And saute it. Add bell peppers. We added all the colors, but it's totally up to you what type of bell pepper you want to add. Add pasta sauce. And saute it. Add black pepper powder. And saute it. Our pasta. Mix it. season with our mixed herbs. You can add cheese if you want. Our pasta is done. Our pasta is ready.
Enjoy!
Bye!